Hi everyone, welcome back again to our video lessons in English 4. We have quarter 3, week 3, and 4. The reference that I am using from Rainbows in English 4 can be found on page 115 to 118. Your teacher, Mr. Ray D. Monticelli. We have our following objectives. First, identify simile and metaphor in the sentence. Number 2, form and use noun possessives. Please prepare the following: your ball pen and paper. This is a sample worksheet paper that you are going to use. For today's lesson class, you will be learning about simile and metaphor. Simile and metaphor, they are part of the figures of speech, and they are special ways in putting words together to create a more vivid and colorful impression imagery. Two of these figures of speech are simile and metaphor. Now, when we say simile, it is a figure of speech in which two different things are compared explicitly using the word like or as. For example, Ronald is as happy as a lark singing all day. The word Ronald and lark is being compared, and in the sentence, we are using the word as, which means this sentence is a simile. For number 2 example, it is also comparison between two different things without the use of like and as. For example, you are the sunshine of my life. From the sentence, the word you and sunshine is being compared to each other. But in the sentence, we are not using the word like and as, which means this sentence considered as metaphor. Now, let's practice. Let's tell if it is simile or metaphor. For number 1, I like the colors as much as you do. Is it simile or metaphor? Yes, the correct answer is simile. Why? Because from the sentence, we are using the word as. And for number 2, children's laughter is music to my ears. Is it simile or metaphor? Yes, of course, the correct answer is metaphor. Because from the sentence, we are not using the word like or as. We are just comparing directly children's laughter and music. Next, for your first activity, just underline the two things being compared in each sentence. Then, determine the figure of speech used. Write simile or metaphor in the blank. Copy and answer. For example, number 1, little Sarah sings like a real diva. You're just going to underline the things that are being compared, the word Sarah and real diva. Since that we are using like in the sentence, this means that your answer is simile. Now it's your turn. You will be the one to answer from 1 up to 5. Just read each sentence carefully and understand. Now, for your next lesson, we will be learning about noun possessives. Nouns have possessive forms that express ownership or possession. A noun is said to be in its possessive form if it ends with apostrophe s, as in child's, or with just an apostrophe, as in pupils or Denise. The use of the word of the before a non-human or non-living thing also shows possession, as in leaves of trees. Now we have our rules, general rules, and we have also our examples. First rule, just add apostrophe s to singular nouns not ending in s. For example, Alfred's flight, officer's answer. For your second rule, just add apostrophe s to plural nouns not ending in s. For example, women's shoes, oxen's tails. Third rule, just add only an apostrophe to plural nouns ending in s. For example, pilot schedule, tourist luggage. Fourth rule, but not the least, just add only an apostrophe to proper singular nouns ending in S. For example, Mr. Sala's office, Alexis' ticket. Okay, so next, this is your second activity. Just copy and answer on your paper. This activity can be found on page 119. Just rewrite each phrase to show the possessive form of the noun in italics. Use apostrophe S or apostrophe alone correctly. You have to answer 1 up to 12. Always remember, class, all paper or worksheets activities should be kept and pass it in the next submission every Monday. Class, thank you for listening. Video lesson has ended and goodbye.